Make sure to stand till the end. Let me show you how that thing can easily make you sick, guys. You think I'm joking? Check this thing out. Okay, that thing right here can give you headaches, can give you sore throat, it can make you sick because of a part that costs only a few dollars and most people will never replace it on time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 Series, that generation from year 2012 to year 2018, or known as generation F30 F31. If you need to remove or replace cabin air filters, stay with us. We'll explain guys how to do that step by step, not very complicated. We'll recommend what filters to use, what good quality filters, because it can affect your health guys, and most people will never replace that filter, or they'll replace it too late. It can make you sick, it can give you headaches, it can give you sore throat, and we'll explain why, so make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this BMW we'll have even more. Why? Because our mission at the shop here guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy parts, tools, anything for your BMW or any car, and you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So where is that cabin air filter located now? Back in the day it used to be under the hood on the 3 Series, okay? That's for the E46, but that generation guys, okay, it's actually let me show you now. It's actually located right here guys, where the glove box is. Okay, you can see right there, and if we come like that, okay, you're going to notice, okay, that we have a cover, okay, right here underneath. That's where the vents are. So check this thing out now. Okay, right here guys, okay, we're going to have a nut, okay, over here, and another nut over there. Okay, let me just turn the camera a little bit so you can clearly see. Okay, one nut here, one nut there. That nut is with a 10mm socket, so we're going to go ahead, okay, and remove that nut. One nut is out, we have one more to go. Okay, let me go ahead and do that one now. Perfect. Now let's see if we have anything else holding here. Okay, we will have a couple clips holding in place. One came loose, let's show you now. Okay, 1 second, one clip. The metal part got loose and it's stuck here, so we need to get pliers and remove that clip and install it back on that cover later, okay? So let's go ahead, do that now. Push it like that. Here we need to disconnect the cigarette lighter. Right there we need to disconnect, okay, that's the light. Okay, the footwell light, perfect. This one is ready. Now what else, okay, we have there, and what we'll be working on. You have to be extremely careful, because here, okay, here guys, you're going to have also that's the foot airbag, and you need to be extremely careful. So that clip, actually guys, it goes right here, it does stay here, okay, and the other two are over there. So now we're going to place the camera, okay, perfect, just like that. Okay, let's try to fix it, okay, to where we can see everything clearly. Perfect. Let's not move anymore. And now here guys, we have two torques that we need to use. Torques is the star looking bit, and this one most likely it's a star looking bit like this one. Let's see where exactly it is. Oh, it's smaller. This one is 25 that I got. Most likely it's a 20 guys. Torques 20. Perfect, that's it. Torques 20 star looking bit. We're going to go ahead, okay, remove a couple screws there now. Okay, let's see if we can do that now. Okay, one is out. Now let's inspect and see what else we have, and looks like we have one more over here in this corner. Out. Now that cover, let me put my head upside down. and see if we have anything else specifically. Okay, so check this thing out. Let me show you the nastiness here. You press that thing to release it. Okay, that's why it's important, guys, okay, to replace your cabin air filter. And most people will not, and you're going to pay the price with your health. So you can see, okay, that yuckiness, guys, that's build up of dust, dirt, check this thing out, mold, and everything else that you're breathing, okay? And in cabin air filters, it's very important to replace them often. We have a special video that explains how often to replace cabin air filter. Check it out, it will talk all about that. And why I have a headache or sore throat after spending long time in my car, okay, or on long trips. This is why, guys. We have a special video that explains how it can make you sick actually. So filter's coming out, right? Okay, we'll need to vacuum later, that's how bad it is. Let's get it out, not shake it too much, okay? We're going to get it here to that box, and I want to show you what's on the inside, how dark it is. This is because it's exposed to that CD driving and gases, and you can see on the inside pet hair and all kind of stuff, okay? That will make you severely sick, guys, if not changed on time. On the other side, it will be a little bit better. That's on the side that goes towards the cabin, but all that is already trapped there, so you keep breathing that, okay, through your vents, and it can make you sick, and it can make your car smell really bad as well. So we need to make sure that the airflow arrow points the correct way. We're going to go ahead and install ours. Now, guys, it's a little bit of a tough fit, I'll be honest with you, okay? It will take you a little bit of time to arrange everything and to make it fit, but eventually, okay, it will fit. It just needs to go in an angle. Okay, careful not to break it as well. Let me see. Okay, it's getting stuck here a little bit. I'm just trying not to push on it too much as well. So let me see now for a second. So you just need to be careful, okay, to get it in. Eventually it gets in, guys. It's a really tight fit, I'm not kidding. Just careful not to break it when you do that. Careful not to pull the cover from the drain right here. This clip is the one that we released earlier, so we pull to the outside, okay, this way to release it. Now we have a really good rubber seal here, and you need to close it. Then we need to install the 2 screws gently. Do not over tighten those. Okay, and then we have one more on this side that we will need to do. Okay, almost got it. And maybe next time. It's coming a little bit of an angle. Perfect. All we have to do is install the cover on the bottom, and we're guys ready to go. That's the only thing left. Just push it in, install the 2 nuts, connect the light and the serial lighter, and you're ready. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.